Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can record supplier invoice on Kashoo accounting software. To add a supplier invoice on Kashoo, you need to go to sidebar and click on section Bills to Pay. From here, click on plus new button and you will be presented with a template. Bill number, that is an invoice number, what supplier on supplier invoice. So in my case, I will have electricity bill. Select vendor from a list. If you haven't got on list that vendors, just type in and it will automatically add this vendor name to contact list. Like in my case, electricity is new supplier to me. Select the bill date, I will keep 11th of May, and due date, either you can have on receipt 15 days, 30, 60 days. Look on due date on supplier invoice. In my case, I have 15 days to pay. And select from drop-down list correct currency. In my case, I have pound sterling. And now we have option to add lines or descriptions from supplier invoice. So this part should match with your supplier invoice. If you have multiple lines, you will need to add multiple lines here. If you have only one line, just add description one line. So for example, I have only one line, electricity bill. Select category from drop-down list. That means where you want this expense to go on your reports and show up. In my case, it will be under utilities. Quantity, price, and amount will be calculated. So if you have items, like 5 items received of a product at a certain price, then it will multiply and amount will show up there. So in my case, I have one for 40 pounds. And you can select also tax if you use tax. In my case, I will say that I have no tax for electricity bill, but use invoice to add correct information in. If you have multiple lines, click on add another bill item and another line will be provided in the same table. Okay. Next, you have section about this bill. Here, add any information what's relating to this supplier invoice. For example, if there is client number or purchase order number, add that information here. Also, you can attach file. You can attach file from device or from gallery. Gallery is Kashoo accounting software gallery from an uploads through inbox section. In my case, I will select item from device. And I will select an invoice, my electricity invoice, and I will attach. An attachment will show up below. So once you have added all information, click on one of the options provided. Either you can save and start new supplier invoice, save and exit, or duplicate. So I will click save and exit. Okay. And here is my electricity bill. You can edit, delete, duplicate this invoice and mark this one as paid. So in this episode, I covered how you can add a supplier invoice on Kashoo accounting software. Also, I have shared the link in description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover all sections in details. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.